In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMS marketing in Omnisend. We'll walk through collecting phone numbers with a form, building an SMS campaign, and getting it ready to send, all in a clear, compliant, and efficient way. Start by opening your browser and searching for Omnisend. Click the official result to go to the home page, then log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open Forms. This is where you'll capture subscribers for SMS. Create a new form by selecting the option to add a form, then choose a template that matches your brand and click Use Template. In the form editor, open the items list, find the phone number field, and drag it onto your form. This phone field is crucial for SMS, so make sure your form copy clearly states that subscribers agree to receive texts and that messaging and data rates may apply. When you're happy with the layout and text, save your changes or update the live form so it starts collecting numbers. Next, head to Campaigns. Create a new campaign and choose SMS. You'll land on the campaign details page. Add a campaign name so you can find it later in your reports. Then write your text message. Keep it within 160 characters for a single-part SMS and lead with the most important detail and a clear call to action. If it's helpful, you can add an image or GIF by selecting a file. Just remember that media may convert the message to MMS and affect cost and deliverability. Decide whether to automatically shorten links. Short links save characters and look cleaner, and they can help with tracking. Specify your unsubscribe instructions so recipients know how to opt out, such as replying with a standard keyword, and edit your UTM tags to keep your analytics tidy. You'll see a live preview on the right. When everything looks correct, continue to the next step. Choose who should receive the message. You can send to all subscribers or pick specific segments for better targeting, then proceed to the next step. You'll see an estimate of the SMS credits required based on audience size and message parts. Review that, then move to Review Campaign. Do a final check for spelling, links, audience, and timing. When you're ready, schedule the campaign for later or save it. That's it. Your SMS marketing in Omnisend is set up and ready to go.